What's up, buddy?
Hey, boys!
Is that the catchphrase?
Yeah.
I told him to come in today with a new catchphrase that he thought of. Since I say back in action, back in the action, thought he should have one. Guys, let him know down below if that's a keeper or not. I'm still not too sure. How's it going, buddy?
So stoked for this video.
Yeah? Well, how come? Actually, I am too. I think
sweet.
Well, you were here with like, Jesus, man, it's not even on.
Oh, yeah. Went on my first Tinder date last night.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, it was good.
Holy crap, dude, you're really growing up. Did you wait to tell the boys that or what?
Yeah, I've been waiting all day.
Take a seat, buddy. We're gonna get into this video right away, but I think we need to hear the details. Just for next time, you gotta turn it on before stepping on it. It's a little dangerous.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought those things came on automatically.
No. So boys, clearly before we start this video, we gotta get some details. I'm sorry, I can't wait, and I feel like you guys wanna hear this too. Ian? So let's start off with the main thing, buddy. Name. What's your name?
Ruth.
I feel like you're on a Ruth? No, that's sick. That's like, I feel like you're on a casting couch right now. Sorry, this is wild, bro. You're like growing up. So, was this your first date ever? I feel like it is.
Well, I guess, like, official.
Just paint a good picture for the boys, man. Let's tell a good story. But like, honestly, I just want this for like your memoir or like for history on this channel, knowing that we can go back on this one day and be like, this was Ian's first date. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we met each other there at this all-you-can-eat pizza place.
Okay. I love how it's all you can eat on a first date. That's dope. I want details, big guy.
I had like 3 or 4 pieces.
Sick. So you got your money's worth?
She had 7, so...
Are you serious? Was her personality sick at least?
It was a little hard to tell. She didn't talk too much. She mostly focused on eating.
Wow. Anyway, buddy, appreciate the story time. Guys, leave a huge thumbs up for Ian down below. Huge moment, buddy. Huge moment. Super proud of you. And back in action. We're back in the action, boys, with probably one of the most wild videos we've ever done in a long time. Now, I've been planning this video for the last month, I think, since this whole trend of buying the worst rated whatever became a play. Now, finally, I've been checking my emails, been back and forth with the seller a little bit, and it's supposed to arrive today, which is why I actually called Ian over about an hour early. Usually my packages arrive around 4. So getting into what we're into today, boys. As you can tell by the title of the video, we just purchased the worst rated $5,000 mystery box I can find. Explaining this a little bit, I think this is really dumb. Now, I could have spent $5,000 elsewhere on getting something really dope, and maybe this will be really sick, I'm not sure. But I thought for content purposes, and for this whole trending thing right now, which I think is really fun, I thought we'd spend $5,000 on possibly something stupid. Possibly getting scammed. I'm not too sure. Now, background on this. Now, I got this from eBay. Now, as you guys know on eBay, you can't rate items on eBay per se, but you can rate the seller. So what I found was one of the highest costing mystery boxes I could find with the lowest rated seller, if that makes sense. So this seller has a horrible rating. Most of the stuff he was selling, I'm not gonna give his name or anything because I don't give promo unless they're actually gonna send me stuff for free. It's how it works. So this seller is apparently really badly rated. I can't remember what the rating was, maybe 50%. Now, if you know eBay, that's just awful. Like, you don't usually buy from somebody, even if they have like a 90%, they're just probably bad. So this guy doesn't really sell mystery boxes. This was the only mystery box he had, and the rest of the stuff, he either like owns some sort of like antique shop, or he's cleaning out his grandma's basement or something like that. So he was selling like teddy bears and like furniture and like old dolls, stuff like that. And I found he had a mystery box for $5,000. Saw the rating was bad, and I thought, hey man, we should cop it. So today, boys, what we're rating for right now is that package. With that being said, there's the explanation. We're just gonna play the waiting games. The mail lady should be here in about maybe half hour to an hour. Not too sure. We'll get back to you guys once it comes, but Ian had to come over early just so we could get this all set up before it comes, so we could get our initial reaction and really do this real time with y'all. Alright boys, so I got Ian to turn on the camera. I thought it was it, and this definitely isn't it because I know what this is. We have like 2 mail people that come, one's with FedEx and one's with Canada Post. This is just a package we got, so while we're playing the waiting game, I thought we'd open this because it shows exactly what this is on there, and I'm pretty stoked. I've been waiting to get this for like a month or 2. You boys can't tell, I'm really trying to amp up the excitement for this video, which is why we're starting before it's even at the door, because I'm a little nervous. I think this is one of the most amounts of money we've ever spent on a video. $5,000. Anyway, I'm a little freaked out, but here's what we have first off. This is Selena Gomez mug. Now, you guys know I love Selena Gomez. I think she's probably the greatest human being ever, and I'm working on a Selena Gomez room as well. Have I told you that? I'm making a full room out of Selena Gomez.
Full room.
I just think it's a funny meme. Also, it's just a nice jerk-off station, probably. Selena Gomez with her boobies out, almost. And then Selena Gomez here. All right, boys.
So close to boobies.
Let's stop the waiting game now, boys. The next time I get back to you will be when we have this package in hand. So we just gotta ring at the doorbell. Boys, time's here. Hello? Hi. Holy shit, that's big. Hi. Yep. Do you need to sign off on anything, or can you just leave it here?
A few moments later.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, just leave it there. I'll get it in a second. Thank you. Boys, it is so big.
Really?
We got it, boys. All right, so, keep the camera on. I'm gonna get it in here, and we're just gonna, like, do the next shot. Come here. Gotta put the dog in the cage. Just, like, take a little bit coming in. Have you seen it yet? Okay, Hannah, come here. So, I am super nervous right now because I don't even know. This is a big box, boys.
Like, how big? Holy hell, that is a big box.
Holy crap.
Whoa, are you sure you got that, man?
Yeah, no, I got it.
You got it?
Holy crap, boys. Okay,
Wow.
So it doesn't look like it's wrapped. Oh my god.
What is it? What? Oh, it's a dirt bike.
Holy
we got a dirt bike.
Holy
oh, yeah, that's so cool.
Dude.
Hey, wait, man, look.
Hey, we got a dirt bike.
Dude, it says 14 miles an hour.
So, what does that mean?
Dude, I think, dude, that looks like a kid's bike.
No. No. Do not ride the streets, there's traffic. It's weird that it's not wrapped.
Riders up to 68 kilograms? That's not big.
What does that make?
That's like 140 pounds? What does it say on it? Does it say anything else?
Well, don't show this, but it says it's from eBay, so this is definitely it. Okay, I thought we'd unbox it for the video, but it's not even boxed, dude.
Man, yeah, it says right on it, youth sport.
Alright, boys, so I took a quick second to think about this. I'm kind of like thrown for a loop right now because I thought we'd unbox it and like have this big whole surprise thing. It is just this. So I thought it might be like a mystery box with a bunch of stuff. This can't be worth $5 grand.
I don't know.
I mean, like, honestly, okay, I'm not gonna lie, boys. I'm like a little disappointed because, yeah, once again, I thought it might be a box filled with a bunch of stuff. We got a f***ing kid's dirt bike. But I guess this is good content. Let's just get it working.
You know, I'm not gonna lie. I do think you kind of got shafted just a little bit on this.
Yeah, no
on this
kidding,
one.
man. No kidding.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you could.
Oh!
Watch as one man who just lost $5,000 and another man who just went on a Tinder date assemble their child's dirt bike.
Okay, way to pump your own tires there, Ian. Appreciate that.
Watch out!
That's sick.
Whoa! Turn it off!
Holy crap, dude! This thing is powerful.
Whoa, look out! Whoa, Jesus, man! Ow! Oh shit! Are you alright, man?
The handle already broke.
It broke?
The handle already broke.
Whoa. Oh yeah, there used to be 2 brackets on that thing.
This isn't even a flipping video, man. But it's not gonna turn out dope, and this thing's already broken. Then.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing? Where are you taking that?
I'm giving good footage, Ian.
Well, Brandon, what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? Wait, you're holy shit, man. That is so. Oh man, you broke it. You fucking broke it.
Well, boys, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this would be a cooler unboxing for $5,000 mystery box. I'm not even mad what came in it because I think it's funny that we paid that much money for something so little. That's kind of cool. However, I feel like the footage that I wanted wasn't there because I wanted some dope like, oh, we got this next, we got this next, we got this next, and we got a bike that broke. So, what a dope, boys. Chuck it out. Appreciate y'all for watching. God, please get this video views at least so I can get some money back. Boys, you rock. Ian, appreciate you. How do you think that went?
You know, if you hadn't broken it like that, you probably could have at least returned it.
No, well, I could have returned it maybe. No, I don't think so. It's eBay. Anyway, you know what I just said. When in doubt, chuck it out. So, boys, sorry for the video. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. That's what happens with these mystery box videos. You really don't know what you're gonna get, and then it breaks on you. So, that's awesome. Ugh.
And you trashed your house too.
Yeah, I did. Well, okay. Anyway, boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Once again, last thing, let me know if it was a win or a loss for $5,000. And if you guys see the branding on here, let me know how much the thing costs. Appreciate y'all. Blow.